Hello, beloved listener. This is Prophet Sipamandla Woho, the herald of good news. Join me now for a Rhema word for you today, and your life will never be the same.
So they said, okay, tell us this secret. Tell us this secret. And a man within 24 hours. He said, have faith in God. Actually, it have the faith of God. Now, original. In other words, you need to have the God kind of faith. So when I come out to Jesus, the medical demon, praise God, you cut in your glory with God. If you got the Bonagala, the only problem that is the Bonagala, and you cannot go by faith to us, Putis. I call a man the over Putis is the Bonagala. The Swami even had his hand, the Quabanje. What was the secret in a 24-hour miracle? This is the God kind of faith. But for the Peter, what is this God kind of faith? But it's the same God who was in the beginning. The same God who said, let there be, and there was out of nothing. This is the same God kind of faith. So even we having the same spirit of faith, because we believe, we speak it, that is why we see it. God was the first one. There was nothing on the earth. But God said, let there be. He believed it. He said, let there be. And there was, and God saw, because there was. God said, let there be. And there was. And because there was, God saw it. You need to speak it for it to be. For you to see it. Because God said, let there be. And there was. Because there was, He saw it. You will never see it before. It has to be there. So, Jesus, the same God, we know was the mystery of godliness. He was the same God. He spoke, because He spoke it. That tree, according to Jesus, as far as He was concerned, it was dead. Let me tell you something. This is the faith of God. What is this faith of God? We see what is called. What is so He says,